Get admitted back in the hospital for the second surgery, which is tomorrow morning.
So Johnny, where you say something like it? October?
Something gonna happen. Something very, I don't tell. No matter when nobody wants it. It doesn't matter when nobody wants. Tell me, scientists are not saying this. Something massive gonna happen. And when that happens, 75% of civilization are go out of existence. And remember me talk that.
Jamaica is about to be hit by what could become one of the most powerful hurricanes in the island's history.
Yeah, left on 24 hours for big breeze and rain going by now. So you just set up yourself.
Can you see it outside? Can you see the difference between when you go upstairs and now?
Just turned me a while ago. Can imagine every 6 hours I have to turn iron in my foot.
You have to make sure you have all your fruits.
Where you go?
Place.
1 baker.
Give thanks.
What you say? What want to cook tonight?
Then go with it with some sliced fish.
Okay. Guys, right now I'm in the hospital and I'm a flood out.
You see that? That's a shark, I swear.
Pleasant morning, my people. So this morning, I go in the hospital. Yeah, I get admitted back in the hospital for the second surgery, which is tomorrow morning. So I'm there. Just I think, so yeah, the second surgery needed, you know. I need to start the process. Not say me I rush it, but need to start it so I can try, you know, dip and wait the recovery. So stay tuned. Pray for me. See? Yeah, people, in the hospital now and you don't know, surgery tomorrow. So basically what the doctors are saying is that my feet, my ankle, now I'm gonna be able to move again like this. Now I'm gonna move like that again. So I go stiff, but I'm gonna walk one way, not no full way, but I'm gonna do them best so that I can walk good. So I'm gonna know what I go and say. It's badly damaged and we just have to work with it. Obviously, I still have life, still not losing a limb or nothing. I still not have the foot removed from, you know. So, I have to just work with back. I got it. They need a second opinion, but when me root screw, that's the only option, you see me? So, for now, I go and work with it, but I don't know if I'm going to do my therapy session. Nothing beat therapy session and be deep in yourself. So that way I go work with Zane. So stay tuned and wait what you are going. Is it? But second surgery. See how my hand swell up. Look how my hand swell up. Jesus Christ. So you guys just did the second surgery yesterday and woke up this morning. So it was an 8-hour surgery. You know, long. These iron are heavy as hell. I'm heavy, man. I'm very, very heavy. Pick up here. Yeah, guys, so this was an 8-hour surgery. Second surgery. If you hear me talk a certain way on my tongue, the O's are up on my tongue kind of make me talk like me have this tongue right now. But yeah, it was an 8-hour surgery. Did it from Monday, waking up the next day. But yeah, this is it, guys. Hold the iron. Okay, so day 3 of the surgery. Feeling better, feeling more alive. The doctors came this morning, they told me my ankle have 80% chance of moving again. So that's great news. And then them say my healing is already looking good, already looking great. So that's another good news, you know what I mean? So yeah, let's get this thing on the road, man. Yeah, trust me, me not wish to span nobody, not even my worst enemy. I have an enemy still, but me not wish to span nobody. Cause bro, me I tell you, this thing is not nice. The pain, I barely feel pain, but still not nice. This is so heavy for my foot right now, I just feel uncomfortable. Can't sleep good. Bro, it's just a whole lot of stress, I tell you. So everybody just please be careful out there when I'm drive here. Cause this is not nice. Broke foot not nice. If you're on a bike, even if you walk anyway, just be careful. Cause broke foot on them something not nice at all. You're uncomfortable.
Hey, see,
Big bands them.
flat screen TV, over there stuff.
Wow, Guinea palm melon.
Alright, you know, man, kind of fruits, man.
Yeah, man, see there. What that? Wow. Kias man, I building.
Yeah, my God.
See that boy big iron. It's a big boy. Eh? Oh.
Oh, you have some rice.
That's in as well. Wait, this one has much fruits.
You have a lot of fruits here, bro.
You skin this?
Uh-uh.
I mean,
Where?
so it looks so. You feel that?
No. Yeah, I will use something then she go over.
You have our number?
Grape, yeah. Joke of 5 days, me not see you know, what go on now?
We there, no, man. So we not keep too far from your start. I have to make sure you have all your fruits then, you know. Anything
Well, then bring plum, you know. People in and Danny want to cry. I have to tell hold it.
Yeah, man. You have to be strong.
You have a strong, man. Me soon come up, man.
I want to keep TV, man. Oh, yeah, so, man.
That is
I
it.
love Giselle in the hospital. And when not talk, just know yellow tape. Giselle, alright, come there.
Right.
Good, I get some rest, you know. It's well needed, you know. Yeah, man.
So I'm back on the road, man. What you say?
You say, young lady, I'm a little pum pum. What I show people, you know, I'm a very romantic.
So you're afraid for the little pum pum?
Oh God, I eat. I'm afraid for it. I'm afraid for it. This is what you do. God will bless you. God will bless you. If you help, you get me down. Oh God.
You want to go to this pum pum, yeah?
Eh?
You want to go to the pum pum?
You want to go up to it?
You're afraid for the pum pum?
Yes, we will want to go up to it. We will want to go up to it, sir. We will want to try it.
Murder! Murder!
Stop in nice place, man.
Stop it as a pussy clap!
Stop in nice place, man.
Murder! I say!
So a week after, now we're gonna take the stuff off. So the doctors are in. So yeah, we're gonna take off these stuff now, so I'm gonna dress it and things. So a week after, we're gonna get them off now, see? So we're gonna see how it look after they come off. So guys, we just turned them a while ago. You can imagine every 6 hours I have to turn iron in my foot. Jesus Christ. So this is 6 o'clock session now, so 12 midnight tonight now I have to get up and turn them again, then 6 o'clock a morning again, then 12 o'clock in the day, you know. Look upon something I have to go through, man. Jesus Christ.
So Johnny, where you say something I eat October?
Something gonna happen. Something very, I don't tell. No matter when nobody wants it. It doesn't matter when nobody wants to tell me. Scientists are not saying this. Something massive gonna happen. And when that happens, 75% of civilization are go out of existence. And remember me talk that.
Jamaica is about to be hit by what could become one of the most powerful hurricanes in the island's history.
Breaking news, Hurricane Melissa is now a dangerous Category 5 storm with winds at 160 miles an hour, and it's expected to make a direct strike on Jamaica.
Jamaica is bracing for Hurricane Melissa, which is now a major Category 5 storm.
You know, no flat boy. Yo, big man on a waterfront style, man. You can't dip on waterfront, you know, no at all. That's a screwdriver. So poor bad boy rush up. Me blood. You're worse than Tommy. You're worse. Give me knife, give me knife. Give me knife, man. Give me knife, man. I cook this now, man. Like, man, give me knife. Oh, fuck like this. Alright, yes, so you are going.
Hey.
All right, we have less than, but we have, all right, we have less than 24 hours for big breeze and rain coming by now. So you set up yourself. No set up yourself.
So go ahead, we come back from foreign right now with that. I feel like weather.
You are going now. I trick them, go back.
Nobody trace it that
Show you like gas for walk you go by. And you know, no big shop in you.
Then they have install, you might have install. What about you carrying 2 beer of
Start off the road. Start off the road. So when big breeze and big rain come down, man out there. So you know if you have goods in yard and you don't buy no supermarket. See boy, we are for that. No brother. Bread and corned beef.
Let it go, because we don't have much time left. Let it go, man.
Alright, here we go. Then I feel so eat with that.
Set up the generator, brother.
Yeah, man, because if a man thinks it, because big rain and big breeze are come, never sleep in that darkness and big mask head. Why the rude boy or the master by don't have flower there? Mister, me go for go turn white man but my skin get razor. Yeah, you know me a white man.
You're a white man long time.
Yeah.
Come on, no black girl no rush over here come. Or you don't want no black girl. You don't want no black girl.
Yeah, bro, me know you ask me about no woman here, sir.
Me ask you what me want ask you. No man can tell me what you want.
Sweat already, body.
Yeah, man.
Ask you what me want.
You say me a foreigner.
I'm too tired, you know.
You want to
I'm too tired when you're gone.
I
don't like no did it.
Man. Look at that.
Yellow. Yellow. You are going now. You are about small things. Me not worry about small things.
I hit me a worry about.
First of all, me not forget about with you. Me got me a
Screaming.
Let it go.
We don't have much time left.
Woman use something near. You know near.
I tell you put it near. I tell you put it near.
Just listen to me if you listen to me, man.
So after the woman put it in front, you put it near.
You know, that's why I deport you. That's why I deport you, you know. That's why I deport you, know. Because you are going now.
Then do you to make it down here. Let dip you get make it come down.
Alright. If you then let me know, you're afraid, you know. First of all, If me get dip, me I go up on ship. Or me I go up on...
But me not ready yet to take nothing. Me not ready yet to take nothing.
So we are tell me say we can't go back.
Then me not ready yet. I want to stay with my family a little more. I want to stay with you and the generator. I want to stay.
I alone don't stay, you know.
Me don't want a mosquito.
As soon as...
hurricane done you gone.
As soon as Daryl's bars walk by the airport runway, I'm gone. So you think me I stay with a blood clot. Yeah, you think.
Me I go before that.
So, yeah, I'm big scan there.
Black man, so I'm making up by one generator care come man. Eh?
Yes, sir.
I know the time of forward. From that.
So what the generator, I trust it.
Where you get it from?
One brother, Ronnie would have selling, but me not have no money.
Can you trust it kill?
So me go down pan him low and say, "Yeah, I'm boss." Me not acting up. You just let me go. After the breeze, me let you go. Yes, sir. Him say, just. You say, you want to go there, I'm going to take a word, but you see the date and the time, give me the right on right there, so just make sure you don't pass it up. Give me a long date. Wait a second. Hey, you know, me don't want, let GS call. Yeah, you know. Just listen to what me I say. Listen to what me I say. I'm my virgin now, we can't learn anything. But you see, the man who borrowed that from, he won't need. He just take your time van and won't need. So I say, boss, this is what I said to me now, make you won't need. I'm going to do the matter and say, I show you.
Let it go, man. We don't have much time.
I show me say your thing full up, you know, miss none. Alright, so I'm gonna talk to me. I'm gonna just show me same thing. Yeah, so I can learn up, but just make say you come back here, sir. That's all. No. Come on, Yellow now give man my break up clad. You mean you want money? When you go back to America? At the port tomorrow. Why not even we can hustle again? Man, I give you a chance. Everything gone. Man, I drive in the car and say you want money. I say, can I can't smoke every to blood? No, okay.
So much thing in the road, boy.
Yellow.
Listen, man.
Yellow.
You can't put so much thing on the thing, dog.
Yellow. You have Delco.
One layer you have to put on it.
Yellow, you have Delco?
This is not Delco, this is plastic.
Yellow, you have Delco?
Yes, they have solar.
Why people?
Yellow.
The place will get dark.
Yellow.
By tonight, that's trouble, you know.
You know which part they hold it exactly? Because you just have put everywhere where you see something did there before.
Everything, brother. No one not leak.
What do you mean in our work?
But you have to put it which part they hold there in the road, boy. You can't just put bomb up and something, you know.
Alright, you know, you can't come back from England if you're mad me. I'm mad, you come mad me.
Yes, mad me come to blood. You never travel with whiskey for we drink. And you up there show whiskey pan tree.
I can't soap.
I have to whiskey pan tree.
No, you are going now. My bag last in the airport.
Jesus Christ.
Jesus, waiting by Jesus Christ. Waiting by Jesus Christ. Amen.
All of a sudden, go ahead. If anybody bag last year, we're not last. Go
ahead. Somebody TV.
So be perfect. Be perfect.
Oh, you back for last. I don't more. Oh, you back for last. Somebody TV. Number one, you can't let bag of
Uno thief.
Uno black people.
Uno thief.
Let's go, because we don't have much time.
Uno thief, kill him in China airport, you know. So what is my back from the blood clot thief?
No, then I run with goat.
You know you big ass killing, right?
Yeah.
You know you kill him and a black guy.
Yeah,
You know a black guy.
Yeah, president, you know. You know, play it. You have to
alright, I said to us, I'm plugging some power, boy.
Yeah.
I'm plugging.
Yeah. Yes, I'm going to borrow this tonight.
No bother no, boy. No bother with that. The wing and the wicked part are the wicked part.
I don't know you have to call in.
Alright, see man I say you know about you know about
Me just think say water.
you know about meat allergy. But
Water.
when you know about meat allergy.
Meat a what?
Meat allergy. Meat allergy.
Meat a what?
Meat allergy.
More no meat a what you say?
Meat allergist.
Meat allergist?
Yeah.
And a meteorologist. Meteorologist.
So
Say after me, meteorologist.
you know what tell me over top. Me I tell you what me know.
Yo, rude boy, listen to me. Alright, but me I tell you say water
Yeah.
are the most destructive element.
Yeah. Alright.
Boy, you see you done it.
Well no crack man come check me and see what man. Now run no. But lad, so me call you through now light I walk up the street light and
You have gas, you have gas. What you say you done it, black man?
Yeah, man, buy check it's time I pass, man.
Stagger, you turn around with our Stagger. You think checker, it have been a blood clot right down to ground till 4 5 I go up in a blood clot checker.
Low.
If someone moves at 150 miles per hour.
Snagger.
When they carry 150 miles per hour, how long it take you to cover 100 miles?
Snagger. Listen to me I say. Now watch where the news I tell you say. Now watch where the news I tell you say.
So news lie?
The news lie?
Snagger, you know what time me tell you is and when a man tell you what I'm father. I tell you about rain and come and when you look sun not like fire. Don't listen to what I say.
I know Jamaica one
Then you say American meteorologist lie. American meteorologist lick pan pine. And I like the one them are stupid Jamaica.
I know what you tell about America, you know.
Me American, me have to tell you
I
that.
tell America, because first of all, when I see America, I pump sit in the sky and I see rain and fall.
In England no do it too.
England all the while.
England no do it too. England do it all the while.
I know tell about America, I tell about Jamaica.
I say thing out past Jack, sir.
Snagger, because you don't really know about weather, you know. I am a big man, you don't know about weather. Let me tell you about weather.
I me.
Yeah, because me and you...
You know the meteor.
Alright, but no,
And the news me
me know tell you about meteor like. Alright, you know Snagger, you witness sun when it enters rain. You witness rain when it...
Me have a new app on my phone or carry.
Not tell me about cloud digital phone and tell me about where you witness. You tell me about phone and app.
So when the app tell him,
so where you go after? Where you carry and something? Where you go after?
So
you use the GPS and that foreign?
Snagger.
You use the GPS and that foreign?
Snagger, yes.
So no man make it.
But when I say Snagger?
Answer no.
Yes.
So you can't
who
fuck
made the deck?
Yes.
Depends.
So who make the meteorology? Who has no man see?
Yeah, but me I say Snagger.
Yeah.
Me and your witness say we watch news and news tell us say you get high shower rain in a Port Antonio. Today, I want to look so not like fire.
Not anymore.
So after when it stop?
Think they modernize.
Whoa.
Satellite. For Elon must take over and push out Starlink.
Him don't know them something there now. You know what? You know Elon Musk?
Why you know? Me don't know. Tell me now. Bamba, you know everything. 2.
11 meter reach.
11.
Left by 2.
And part by 4.
By 4. Then a good time that the man say?
Yeah, 3 said 3
Snagger.
So when the hurricane I go there longer than that.
Alright. Remember ask that question. When I say pass, what do you mean like we stop get breeze and rain?
But
main force.
Theoretically it go pass any which way you not hit Jamaica. It a pass.
Yeah, but me no want to tempo no 3 o'clock and pass.
Say it a pass 3 o'clock.
So what time it a pass? There have to be a time it pass, you know. It a come, it a come. So it a stay. It a stand up and stay so.
Alright. You see my pass. I went time me stop with rain
and what and
breeze.
Let me ask a question. Sorry. When it come, when it just come, you get hard breeze, don't it? Then the breeze will settle down, don't it? So what you do? No pass it pass, don't it? No pass it pass.
You get breeze now?
No.
You get rain now?
We kind of reach it. So you say it obviously like this.
So me listen how we get talk a while ago.
It will come and stand up, so it will come and stand up on Jamaica. So it will just come and stand up, so now.
Whether it come and stand up or it come and galley up. Listen me I say. You see, me I ask that question, you get breeze now?
No.
You get rain now?
No.
That is when me say it pass.
Okay.
Tomorrow.
Once you get rain, it's
once I get rain and breeze,
it's still there.
There when I 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. You hear, sir? So then I listen to them.
So last week when you get breeze or hurricane that then?
Yeah.
So once you get rain or hurricane?
If me I get rain up, hurricane,
So last week when you get rain, I did hurricane. Hurricane, what that name? Goated?
They never tell us the hurricane come last week. They tell us the hurricane come now and we are talk about when it pass and when it not pass now. So we are trying to tell me say.
So but you say once you get rain or hurricane. And that you say a while ago now.
Bombo a hurricane come tomorrow.
So the place, alright. So for the hurricane done, the place have to dry like this.
When we classify reach. Alright. When we say the EI a pass.
When hurricane reach.
Alright.
Yeah.
How far?
How we are going to know say
Yes, because you ask how we know so when it gone.
When I get breeze and rain, it reach.
Alright, so if we start, hold on, if we start get breeze and rain tonight, hurricane there.
It there.
And then tomorrow sun come out, it gone.
So when we get
It gone. So you are going to you're super.
Me just ask you. And you say you're explaining and me want to learn.
Yeah, but me a teacher that is that
and
thing.
I want to learn.
That thing where you're not supposed to make news and meteorology tell you. Boy, my pass, I'm reach at 2 o'clock.
Come on, sense.
Come on, sense. You go here tonight. I see breeze and rain.
It's there.
Him there.
Some of him.
Even if you're there, him there near fire.
Alright.
Ready to sit down by your belly.
So that means if him there tonight, 10 o'clock, and tomorrow, the whole of tomorrow, rain and breeze, same way. Him not gone.
Him not gone. Him there, same way.
Lie down by belly.
So you know about the closeness.
No, me not talk about no centrally. That's what I deal with. Me not deal with centrally.
No, me not deal with no eye neither.
Yeah, me I deal with clearance. Clearance me I deal with. You say when we start get rain, we sweet. Him gone. Yeah, we sweet.
So when we get that direct, me can teach you something now. When we get a direct hit, you know, and for hurricane make a landfall, you know, the eye have to come over way, you know, for hurricane make a landfall, you know. So if the eye not come over way, it don't make no landfall, you know. Let it go.
We don't have much time left.
Me no, me attack at him, me not much time, because I was talking to him. Give me a kill, my boy.
Yo, are you saying how much time? Say let it go.
When the EI, why different between the EI and the wing?
Not a wing.
Wing the bunny?
Outskirt, bomber car, wing and outskirt, me attack, oh man.
Yo, people, I don't want to hear all the breeze and make the place sing. Listen. Jesus Christ. You the man the breeze are blowing, huh?
Can see it outside. Can see the difference between when you go upstairs and now.
man, catch up shots. That's right there.
Push the hole that door. Right now. The outside. God, push the outside and now. Push the outside, see that? Yeah. Couple of stuff now well blow off it. Last time this major. Oop. You know you just that. I don't let it come for like that. See it there? It's a garden roof.
Strong. Turn it back to the breeze bird. Can't do that, man.
Jamaicans in Jamaica could care less about giving you outstanding hotel experience right now. Americans, when I tell y'all, oh my gosh, fellow Americans, can y'all actually turn your brains on for 2.5 seconds? Like, damn, do you actually think that those workers who live in Jamaica care about giving you good food and good service, hot towels and fresh sheets? Now, I decided to be nice and take the lady's username and TikTok profile out this post. But when I tell you I've been scrolling and I've seen one too many of these, what do you mean 0 out of 10 service? What do you mean they don't care? Send help. Send help for you? When you're traveling to another country, when you're traveling specifically to an island, the first thing that you do is research the best times of year to go there. This is hurricane season. Melissa didn't just pop up out of nowhere like, hey, bitch. No. This is the season.
I need help, SOS. We are in Jamaica. The hurricane is hitting us directly. There's 0...
Man, shut your ass and relax yourself. I'm not create excitement and we like somebody kidnap you. No experience to come for. You're not going nowhere. Move your pussy wall and sit down till it's time.
back, I swear. Jesus, man. Move back, come on. Whole heap of things that swim out, you know. Watch the pole, watch the pole. Step in the doorway. Quick.
Now it is 2:07. It's 5 minutes to 7. Basically all the steps are gone. We have 2 cars right here that are covered now. This one is on its way as well as that one over there. We never them drown and gone. Yeah, it reached me. Front gate completely gone.
Jamaicans, whoa there. Please watch your mouth when you're talking about the Jamaicans, okay? I'm not Jamaican, but I'm a West Indian woman, and what y'all not gonna do is try to fearmonger and spread weird narratives about the country. You don't know anything, and it's 2025 and your ignorance is showing. One thing about the Caribbean, disaster preparedness is a way of life. We've been doing it since we were kids. 2, most houses are reinforced by steel and are built with concrete. It's not the Weetabix houses you guys have. 3, when in times of disaster, people know how to come together and help each other. They're not fighting each other in Walmart for toilet paper and rations. We have more brought up see than that. We come together and we help each other. 4, your fear-mongering, tragedy porn, kink fetish, whatever it is y'all have where all you just like are so gleeful when bad things happen to people and you use that as an opportunity to be performatively good, keep that somewhere else. Jamaicans will deal and cope with tragedy however they see fit. If you didn't want your thoughts and prayers to elevate their spirits, keep them. If you want to be mad at people making jokes, cool, keep it to yourself. Because if we see you say anything about Jamaicans, I'm telling you, the rest of the Caribbean will gather and get you together. So if you want a nice time, watch your mouth. The things that you guys are saying and posting and commenting are making it so evident that you are highly ignorant and you are not beating the stereotype. If you don't know about another culture, if you don't know about another country, is silence not an option? Ta gueule, pe bouche zola. Tu vas parler trop. Shut it. Keep your thoughts and prayers to thoughts and prayers. Okay? A lot of you are not going to beat the allegations that you are performative as hell. You're more concerned about looking like a good person than actually being a good person. These are human beings going through something very terrifying. Shut up.
Alright, people. Just to see back my face from the hurricane. X-ray time, I was supposed to do my X-ray Monday. Come out yesterday, but through the hurricane forward, I try to get it done now. Bear in mind, can't hear from my mother, she didn't have Mandeville. Can't hear from Summer, she didn't have Black River. So I need to get out of here now so I can get on the road. So I can go see my family. I'm worried sick.
Yeah? Jordan!
Fresh from prison!
Yeah, fresh from prison again, people, you know. So, there, make you say a little time and go on easy, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, that, yeah, let's put that near close to me.
This?
Yeah. Charge down everything in.
Put this one, boy.
So, our good friends are for?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Out of prison.
Out of prison.
Press the out, you know what I mean?
That is it. Even get a 2-bed apartment, so you know, I try to get them to come cook for me, but them at them say I'm gonna fix generator and things, so yeah, I go forward back in the car. I want some home cooked meal right now.
Listen to me. You know,
because
you're good.
Bingy they not there.
I'm good people. But I get him home cooked meal.
That is it. DJ! When there? Crack this code.
Mobster.
Mobster.
Fly down songster. Did you get them what? Did you get them what?
Mobster in our place.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know where you go?
Place.
One baker.
Give thanks.
That is it. So you say, what cook tonight?
Can go with you.
Some sliced fish.
You can't leave me alone, you know?
I beat last time, so I'm sure.
I beat some more.
Sliced fish?
Yeah.
Are you a chef? Come here see you on internet and cook?
Don't say that.
You see you on internet and chef up something, yeah?
He's a baker, he's not a chef. He do.
So maybe you beat the shrimp and beat this
money, the dough, the cash, where's the paper?
Yeah.
That means
the baker.
Yeah, you get the chef.
You get the chef?
Yeah, but he's the baker.
He's the baker, not the chef.
Yeah, that's me. That's me.
So now go angle on the bangle and forward and
yeah.
that's the market.
Yeah, go and rest up, man. Rest up a little bit, man. Alright.